I'm student meteorologist Matt Daniel. The big story is whether or not we're going to see snow across North Georgia Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning. Notice today, upper 50s. It's going to be gorgeous outside. Go out there and enjoy it. We're seeing the flakes fly all across North Georgia, but unfortunately it's going to cause some problems. If you got any travel plans, be well aware you could see some delays or cancellations. And in Greenville, South Carolina, we saw a couple snowflakes by Christine Morgan. We have plenty of clouds and showers all across central Alabama today, but better news is on the way. We'll let you know when we can expect sunshine and lower humidity coming up. We're talking about some power outages likely, so tonight's the night to prepare for this. You're probably going to be staying home for the next several days. On Hurricane Raymond. It's currently a Category 3 storm with sustained winds around 125 miles per hour. As you can tell, it has a really well-defined eye. So if you got any beach plans today or tomorrow, just be well aware that cold front will be around, so that means showers or storms are possible in this area. Look at New Orleans, 62 on Monday and dropping down at 35 degrees on Tuesday, so you're definitely going to want to bundle up as that cold air pushes to the south. Temperatures cold. Anything that's wet on the surface will become ice, so please, we urge you, avoid driving on the roads. But if it does become the first name storm, it would be called Andrea, so it's just something to keep a close eye on. Hey, if you're at the beach today trying to get that last-minute vacation before school starts, it's a little wet, especially down at Gulf Shores. You see all those showers and storms. Not a single shower or thunderstorm across the state of Alabama today, but will that change later on in the weekend? I'll let you know coming up. It's going to be pretty nasty up all across the East Coast prior to Thanksgiving. Cloudy skies and showers and thunderstorms likely tonight, but I'll let you know when we can see some sunshine in our forecast at 10. But the big story about this is going to produce a lot of rainfall, especially across Florida and into southern and central Georgia. So saw plenty of showers and thunderstorms last night, but now we're cleared up, seeing plenty of sunshine. We'll let you know what to expect later on this weekend coming up. Student meteorologist Matt Daniel, we're keeping a close eye on a significant winter storm that's impacting the southeast. It will be a long duration event starting Tuesday morning all the way until Thursday morning for significant ice and snow accumulations. Notice today, 59, beautiful, plenty of sunshine. Go outside, enjoy it. Same on Monday, but notice Tuesday, that Arctic front pushes through. We're only going to see a high around 37. It looks around 8 p.m. Thursday on Halloween. It looks like we'll be relatively dry. Now, if you're planning on trick-or-treating, should be fine. Now, if you live out in the North Georgia mountains, we could see a few light showers, so you might want to plan a little early for trick-or-treat activities. Yeah, Fred, it looks like that cold air isn't going anywhere anytime soon. As you can tell, this is that jet stream, and it's separating that cold air from that warm air mass to the south, and that cold air continues to dive down into the southeast as far south as the Gulf Coast, and unfortunately, those temperatures are going to be dropping like a rock.
And Matt Daniel joins us here at the desk for a little weather. What do you have for us, Matt?
Well, it looks like we're going to be clearing out by Sunday and especially on Monday with lower humidity. It's going to feel great outside, so enjoy it while we have it. But then by Tuesday, middle of the next week, we're going to introduce some showers and storms with it heating back up into the upper 80s and low 90s. We got a big snowstorm that's going to be producing a lot of heavy snow, freezing rain, and sleet all across the Northeast. I'll let you know what we can expect coming up. Today we saw plenty of sunshine, a few clouds out there. Right now we're looking outside at our HD cam, looking out at DCH Medical Center in Tuscaloosa, looking at Bryant-Denny Stadium. Football is less than a month away. How exciting is that? And notice with the sunshine in place, it is hot out there. It's 91 in Tuscaloosa, dew point 72, so it's a little muggy out there. We did pick up a quarter inch of rain earlier this morning as that cold front pushed through the region. But notice, now that the front's pushed in, we're seeing northerly winds at 7 miles per hour. We are monitoring one shower, a little pop-up thunder shower that's developed right in between Adamsville and Fultondale, and it's pushing off to the north and west. And as you can tell, in the past 30 minutes, this shower is really weakened. Monday, same deal, maybe increasing clouds, but by Tuesday, that front pushes through. It's only going to get up to 37 degrees in Atlanta on Tuesday. Notice in the southeast, Monday in Atlanta, you'll be at 52 degrees, but by Tuesday and Wednesday, we're only going to see high temperatures into the low to mid 30s. Look at all the way to New Orleans, 62 Monday and 35 degrees by Tuesday. So is it raining where you are? That's the biggest question. Well, if you are in Milledgeville, as you can tell in our Alpha Sky Cam, we do have some clouds and storms mainly to the south of the area, but across parts of Macon, right now we're staying dry. And now notice this one little thing. You see this little cluster of showers and storms right east of Florida, right around the Bahamas? That's actually the remnants of Tropical Storm Dorian. But that system will not affect the United States because this cold front will push to the east. It's going to lift that storm up and push it out into the Atlantic Ocean. Mainly clear skies, plenty of sunshine, a few clouds here or there, but generally temperatures will be into the low 90s, and we'll take a look at that. So tonight, clear skies, go out there and enjoy it, lower humidity. Those temperatures will be in the upper 60s in a few spots. We could see mid 60s, expect a low of 68. Friday, mostly sunny, drier, but with that dry air, it will heat up. Expect a high near 91, as it is just south and west of Acapulco. Right now, the biggest story is stationary. What does that mean? It means it's going to produce a lot of heavy rains and localized flooding and possibly some mudslides across this region. Tomorrow, temperatures in the low to mid 30s, but it will be partly sunny sky, high around 35 in Athens, 36 in Atlanta, and 34 in Toccoa. As we look at the 5-day planner, sunshine returns Thursday and Friday, but notice the most important thing about this 5-day planner. Temperatures warm up by Saturday and Sunday into the upper 50s to low 60s, but unfortunately, rain does return by Sunday. Yeah, good morning. It was a very cold day this morning. You probably stepped outside. Temperatures were in the 30s. Not too bad, but it's still pretty cold. You need to grab a jacket. But temperatures are going to drop big time, especially on Tuesday, as that jet stream that separates that cold and warm air, that pushes to the south, as far south as the Gulf Coast. How cold is it going to get? Well, let's look at our quick 3-day planner. Notice today, 59, beautiful, plenty of sunshine. Go outside, enjoy it. Same on Monday, but notice Tuesday, that Arctic front pushes through. We're only going to see a high around 37. Not only are we going to have to deal with cold temperatures, we're going to have to actually keep an eye on a storm developing in the Gulf of Mexico. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of model runs. These just show us one solution of many of what we could expect over the next several days. This is the in-house model, the RPM. It's showing snowfall mainly south and east of Atlanta. No worries here, but mainly a coastal Carolina storm with snow off the coast. Now, as we look at the GFS model, a little bit different solution. It extends snow south and east of Dallas all the way into the heart of Atlanta. And if this solution verifies, we're going to see a pretty decent mess, a lot of problems possibly. Now, as we look at the European, you're going to notice that snow shifts to the south of Atlanta, mainly affecting Macon into Columbia, South Carolina, and to the points north and east. And this is our outlier, the NAM model. It's showing extreme snow, mainly south of Atlanta, especially just south and around Macon area. Heavy snow. Now, I'm not buying this model run, but the general idea is I'm thinking the snow is going to stay south of the city. But as we continue to fine-tune this forecast, we could see the snow push further north. We could see more snow or less snow. So we'll let you know as we continue to get more information. So as we look at the 5-day planner, enjoy the warm temperatures while we have it, because by Tuesday and Wednesday, we're only going to be in the 30s. Notice those overnight lows in the upper teens. We're staying cloudy. Might see a couple flurries here or there, especially south of the city. And then by Thursday, we're going to continue to see a little more sunshine with a high around 47. After the break, I'll let you know how much snow we're going to see maybe south of the city coming up.